Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Thomas and Olymptrade. It's Olymptrade. It's Tuesday, wonderful winter day, the 7th of December. And today we'll conduct the following webinar for you. So, do you guys have any questions? Maybe regarding trading or, well, I don't know, regarding anything. You can ask me all kinds of questions that you want. And I am ready for trading. I don't know about you. I hope you're ready for trading as well. Last time we had a wonderful, profitable trading session on by Axel strategy, where I had, I think, 66 or close to 70% winning trades, and I had a wonderful, nice profit. So I hope that today I can repeat this achievement, or at least do something similar. And so what will be today's strategy? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Let's have a look at, I don't know, Jaktar maybe. Yeah, how about we try Jaktar? Okay. So recently we've had a few. Okay, so that previous session with Jaktar, I think it was wasn't the most successful one, but yet, in my opinion, Jaktar is one of the most reliable, one of the most profitable trading strategies, and it's a little bit more difficult, I would say, especially in comparison to Axel, because with Axel you only have one indicator, and this indicator, well, basically you have one signal, and so in Axel strategy, we only have one indicator called momentum, and in this strategy, which is called Jaktar, we have three indicators, which are basically variations of the same indicator, and this indicator is called simple moving average. So simple moving average, yeah. Basically, it returns us the simple arithmetic number for the last simple arithmetic average for the last, I don't know, 20, 50, 55, 70 candlesticks, depending on this number, which is called period. And so with this strategy, basically the main setting is this one, and the second setting is the color. So for our convenience, I made them of three different colors, which are blue, green, and red. And now with each, so whenever there is a crossing, like so let me find an example. Yes, somewhere here. So the Euro AUD trading right under the simple moving average, right under the 50 simple moving average. So that's when you want to open a trade in the upwards direction. So you can think of these simple moving averages as, say, not concrete walls, but some obstacles on the way of the price. And the price, usually when it encounters an obstacle like a simple moving average, it usually falls back. So it retreats, and these retreats, in market terminology called pullbacks, they are, well, the main signals or the main patterns that we search in with the help of this trading strategy and with the help of these simple moving averages. So in the next example, we have the price of the USD JPY chart kind of trapped between the 200 SMA above, so this red line, and also the green line under. So this green line acts as a, okay, another comparison would be a trampoline, right? So when it drops to this trampoline, it usually bounces up. And this one is like this, I wanted to say invisible wall. It's not an invisible wall, it's, well, a clearly visible wall. And usually the price makes a pullback from this price, from this area. So let's So let me set a pending order close to this green line, the 100 moving simple moving average. Hello. Okay, guys. A few questions from chat. Hello, sir. Hi there, Yen. Hi. Hello. Hi, everybody. Is this legal in Malaysia? Well, trading is, I mean, like the legal status of trading is different in every country. I guess every country in the world has their local legislation to this in regards to trading. So, so you guys need to, okay, I don't know about everything. I know that in the country that I live, it is legal, so I can absolutely legally trade. But in every other country, I don't know. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, this first trade on gold closed with a loss, but still we're trading right under the 100 line, the 100 SMA. So I opened an additional trade in the downwards direction. So that's my third trade. And my second trade, I think, should close with a profit. So the Euro AUD, and since it's about to close with a profit, I think I can set another pending order right there, right next to the simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average. And from this simple moving average, I can this pending order will turn into a trade. Okay, so I don't really have to wait. So in this trading strategy, I don't really have to wait for any particular moment, like the end of the current candlestick or the first second of the next candlestick. All I need to do is I need to identify the moment when the price is trading very, very close to this moving average. So I can either set this pending order a little bit before or maybe a little bit above. So that so this basically depends on my trading strategy and my trading experience, because sometimes it's it's good maybe or it's possible to put some pending order a little bit upfront, but sometimes you want to put it above, and the higher you put your pending order, usually the higher your chance of winning on any particular trade. But I don't know, that depends on experience, and that depends on your trading strategy and like how you trade. All right, guys, GBP JPY. Okay, wonderful trade, wonderful setup. The signal is there, happening right in front of our eyes. So we have this 200 SMA. The price is trading so close, right next to it. So I opened the trade a little bit before. I mean, I could potentially open one more trade even now when it is slightly above. So in this strategy, oftentimes you will not find this ideal moment when the price, the candlestick just barely touches this or that, either one of these three simple moving averages. In fact, most of the time you just have this, you normally have this situation where it either doesn't really touch it, so it stops a little bit before, or sometimes it kind of pierces it and then falls back, like pulls back. All right, guys. I don't know, gold. Okay, I'll give it another try. Just one last trade from the 50 SMA. I think I identified an incorrect pattern here with this 100 line, so 100 SMA, and because I opened two trades from this line, the two of them, they closed with a loss, unfortunately, and had I opened them from the 50 SMA, they would have closed with a profit. But what's done is done. So we are moving next to our next charts. So all right, my next asset, my next trade will be the Euro GBP. So I can set a pending order here. And USD JPY. Oh wow, isn't it funny, guys? So I have this I have two trades on one asset. One is in the upwards direction, which we just closed with a profit, and this next one is the downwards from this upper moving average. Oh yeah, guys, wonderful question. Tushan asks, do you have any trading strategy for or any strategy for Quickler? Well, in fact, Quickler is one of those assets where, well, I personally don't really trade it that much. I kind of tried it a little bit, but then it is a little bit too fast for me. Okay, for me, 5-second trades. Trades that only last 5 seconds, for me that's a little bit too fast. I basically prefer a more relaxed attitude to trading, so that I don't have to. Okay, with Quickler you cannot make mistakes. If you if you have a trading strategy for Quickler and you like trading on Quickler, you cannot like lose this 1 second or like wait for maybe 5 seconds before opening a trade. You just have to be there all the time, and you have to keep opening trades and be very, very like focused. You have to stay focused. But the kind of trading that I prefer is when you take a more relaxed attitude, like this one. So I can set a pending order. I can kind of skip this chart for a little bit and then return to this chart a few minutes later. So this is my kind of trading. But I know that some of you guys, some of our traders, and not just maybe our traders, but wow, look at this gold. What's going on with gold? All right, gonna skip trading on gold. So basically lost $99 on gold. So I don't know. I had 1, 2, 3 losing trades on so far, and all of them are on gold. And on 1, 2, 3, I had 3 winning trades, and all of them they come from other assets. All right, forget about gold. It's this kind of asset that has just stolen $100 from my pocket. Okay, so USD JPY. Okay, so closing with a loss here, just kind of breakout pattern. Okay, and basic altcoin index. Yes, that's a moment when you want to open a trade downwards. So, do I have any advice? Do I have some advice for people who just joined the live stream? Well, a piece of advice number 1 is to have your write down your goals, what you expect from trading. Write down your financial plan, or say trading plan. Write down your start conducting your trading diary or trading journal. These are the key elements of success. So work with psychology, and well, as soon as you can, upgrade to expert status. And when you are at expert status, you can get up to 4 trading consultations per month with our financial analysts, and that's pretty much what I strongly recommend to you guys. Okay, trading. I mean, working with your financial analyst from Olymptrade, or maybe you have another tool. Okay, it doesn't have to be an Olymptrade financial analyst, right? It can be any kind of financial analyst who has a proven record or proven statement, or at least some kind of confirmed experience confirmation. So yeah, you don't try to learn everything by yourself. I mean, this path has been walked by many, thousands, millions of traders. So you don't have to make the same mistakes. Make your unique mistakes and learn from them, but don't repeat the mistakes that everyone has already made 100 times. It's mistake number 1, not to have your trader's diary or trader's journal. Mistake number 2, not to work with your statistics, or do not not to check your trades on the weekends. Mistake number, okay, one more trade, Europe Composite Index now from the 200 SMA downwards. Mistake number 3, risk too much money. Risk more money per trade or per year deposit, more money that you can afford to lose. So if you invest, if you make a deposit with your last money, like basically those were the money that you would otherwise spend for your food, clothing, housing, etc., then it will be very, very hard to trade, because you will not be focusing on making correct trades. You will instead be focusing on the question, okay, so is this like my last money? I cannot afford losing this trade. It's a totally different approach. You have to stay relaxed. So for me, okay, I can make $300, I can lose $300. I have like overall, I have like currently my P&L is around $400. So I mean, I don't care about these $33. I mean, like, of course, I do care about them, because money is money and all money is important. But I don't, I don't beat myself up for like losing $30, because I know that my previous months I made like, say, a few thousand or even more. So yeah, and this is not my say last money. I have more money. And if I have a losing month, I know that I will have whoa, so a breakout on USD JPY. So I will have some. I will not stay hungry, right? So it's quite important that you don't spend your last, like, the rest of your money for trading. So it has to be. You've got to have a more relaxed attitude to trading. Okay, so how many open trades do I have? So a breakdown on commodity composite index. So the price broke under the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA. Thus, I opened a trade in the downwards direction. What's going on here? Looks like the price is reversing. Copper. All right. Another setup. GBP CHF. Okay, let me tell you a little bit more about this example. So first, I've identified that we have a quite strong downtrend here. So most of these, so currently we are moving downwards, and so currently we have the 50 SMA above our level of above our price. So as you can see, we could have had multiple, so probably 2 winning trades so far. Had I opened them from here, so kind of here, 1, 2, 3, more or less, would have been a winning trade. And also I set this pending order right next to this 50 SMA. So that's where I expect a trade to be opened in the downwards direction. So that's basically the signal. GBP AUD. Wow, so that's a breakout. And well, this one. So commodity composite index. Okay, let's try one more trade from the 100 line, 100 SMA line, and well, hopefully this one also dropped under the opening price. And so 5 seconds to go. Whew. Okay, so I was quite close to winning on this trade, but still this trade closed with a loss. Okay. Um, hmm. What will be my next trade? So Euro GBP, that's my that was my previous. So yeah, that was my previous pending order, which now turned into a trade. Okay, so have a downwards trade here on this asset, and USD GPY no signals, but yes, the Euro USD. I think I've just missed a wonderful trading opportunity, because now we have this role reversal. So this line, this 50 SMA, it used to act as a level of support, because the price basically here went above, went down, found this support, found this trampoline, and then the price bounced up. It's like bounced upwards here, made a pullback, and then we broke under this 50 SMA, under this level of support, and then now this level of support has turned into the level of resistance. And yeah, this pattern is called roll reversal, one of the most one of the strongest patterns out there. So yeah, one of the classic ones, I would say. Yeah, that's a kind of like a classic pattern. Okay, so the Euro GBP, I can set another pending order close to the 50 SMA. So right here. And GBP USD, I think also I can set a pending order from here. And CCI closing with a profit. All right, so the 100 line was the real level of resistance, and I think we can open one more trade from here. Set another pending order. All right, so finally I have two winning trades in a row. Okay, and so whew, yeah, missed such a wonderful opportunity on the Euro USD chart, unfortunately. Oh well. And the pound is also dropping. Okay, let's go again. So GBP CHF, yes. GBP AUD, right. So let's set a pending order here. The price would be 475, the last digits. I press setup and then I click the down button, and here is my pending order. Which levels on trade? Which level on Trader's Way do you usually reach by the end of 30 days of it? You know, I never really pay attention to this. So currently I'm at level 6, maybe level 10, maybe level 11 or 12. But frankly speaking, I don't pay much attention to this. So I don't really concentrate on this. Okay, so it's kind of cool to get risk-free trades from Traders Way, but if you know how to trade, you can go without risk-free trades. You can go without any risk-free trades. You will still close your month with a profit, your week, month, your year. But at the same time, if you don't know how to trade and you constantly break your own rules, your say trade trading rules, etc. So no matter um, no matter how many risk-free trades you get from Traders Way or from from anywhere you find a promo code or something like this, you will still be losing money because risk-free trades are not the solution. So this the solution is to learn how to trade. Okay, so risk-free trades are this nice, lovely bonus that basically yeah, it's entertaining. It's kind of like a cherry on the pie, cherry on the cake, right? We all we all like this cherry on the pie or on the cake or on the pie. I don't know. So it's kind of cool that you can without any risk make a few maybe a few dozens or a few $100. Like now, currently I have 851 risk-free trades, so I could easily convert this into maybe a few thousand. Okay, but I'm not really focused on making a lot of money with the risk-free trades. What I'm focused on uh, is how do I improve my trading? How do I make more winning trades? How do I cut my losses? How do I let my profits grow? What kind of stocks do I want to invest in? So I have this another portfolio of stocks, not just FTT or like what I have here in stock price trading. I still have 18,000 invested in SPT. So yeah, guys. Let's set another pending order here. So yeah, try to have this mindset. How do I improve? How do I find this? How do I make my trading better every day? What kind of patterns do I trade? What kind of like how do I work with my trader's journal? All right, guys. No luck with commodity composite index. So one trade with a profit. This next one came with a loss. Um, so okay, wanna cancel this trade. It's not gonna be a winning trade. Anyways, I still saved $5. GBP JPY. All right, let's open a trade upwards because we are breaking under. We've just broken under the 100 line. Now this is called this like sub simple moving average area. Where to set up pending orders? Well, it depends on your trading strategy. So if we are talking about this particular strategy, so Jaktar trading strategy, so you want to set your pending orders close to right next to these simple moving averages. Well, basically depending, of course, taking into account where we are considering the position of the 100 SMA, like 50 SMA, etc. And yes, so when you trade with levels of support or resistance, you want to place your pending orders as close to levels of support or resistance as possible. So that's the main purpose of this instrument, or these pending orders. So okay, what about Quickler? Well, Quickler is, like I said, this I don't really trade Quickler that much because it is a little different style of trading. I don't like very fast trading. Maybe because I'm old, old enough already. I know. Maybe. Okay, guys. Basically, the more time you spend in trading, that's kind of the law of trading. I think the axiom of trading. So if you spend 5 years or maybe more than 5 years in trading, trust me that you will. The more time passes by, the longer your trades become. So at first, I was like, yeah, I'm a scalper. I was trading. I was watching like 20 different stocks at the same time, like stocks or assets or currencies, etc. I was overwhelmed by this quantity. So the same as with Quickler. It's basically too fast for me. I do not want this kind of trading. I want a more I would say like these 3 minute trades, it's already a little bit too fast. So I'm getting used to 3 hour trades, 4 hour trades. I'm more and more getting used to. So basically, the more money you have in your portfolio, sitting in your portfolio, the more you want to concentrate on long-term investments, because all the big money is made on long-term investments and not on short-term. But if you are at your beginners stages in trading, then definitely you would want to trade Quickler just to get experience. Yeah, just to get experience. It's the more patterns you trade, the better your overall trading becomes. So the level of proficiency in trading, it increases day by day. If you make, if you open one trade per day on your demo account, then you are not getting anywhere. If you open every day 10 trades on your real account, even with the smallest amount possible, say $1 or what's the minimum amount in any currency, like $1, then you're progressing. Okay, but if you are okay, so the Euro CHF, okay, but if you are stuck with demo account and you only open 1 or 2 trades per day, you're not going anywhere. You will not get enough like real world experience, real trading world experience. You've got to expose yourself to trading. You've got to expose yourself to opening trades on a daily basis. Salut ici, je cherche l'aide. How can we help you? Well, if you're looking for help, then you can go to help section, go to help center, or go to customer support, and you can request a call from a financial analyst. And if you're eligible for this consultation, depending on your status, so I'm currently at service level expert, and I can get up to 4 consultations per month. So and then yes, one of our VIP account managers will be in contact with you. We also speak French, so I know that this is French. I know somewhat French, so yes, we speak. Nous parlons français. So if you need any help, any assistance, ask for a French-speaking manager, and we will be ready to help you. We speak, I think, 20 languages, maybe even more. Yeah, I think in the company overall we have more than, say, probably 25, 30 languages. So you can get help in, I'll say the most popular languages. Of course, we don't have some, okay, I don't know, some languages if we don't have traders from those countries, but normally we provide support in all the major platform languages. All right, guys, we are slowly but steadily moving towards the end of this webinar. I don't really see many new setups. So like overall, I think I don't know. This strategy, it seems that the market has changed a little bit, and it seems that with Jaktar, it's getting harder and harder to make money. At the same time, with other trading strategies, yeah, let's open a trade, the Euro AUD downwards. With other trading strategies like Axel, like Friday, so all these trading strategies, we had 75, 60, 65, 75% win ratio. So that's a wonderful achievement. And yeah, it seems that those trading strategies are more suitable for today's market. I don't know. I'm still kind of a little bit surprised by the fact that so recently with this trading strategy, I've been able to open to close fewer and fewer winning trades. I don't know. It's, well, life is life. So what can you do? So you have to adapt. You don't need to argue with the market. If the market is giving you an indication that something's not working, okay, you've got to like drop this strategy and move on to the next one and find something that works. DTRY. So how is Lira doing? Okay, so Lira, the Turkish Lira, is renewing its highs, or was renewing its highs yesterday. Now, okay. So this one also closed with a loss. All right, guys. What can you do? So seems that with Kind Martin, so with Jaktar is getting harder and harder. So since like looking at my statistics, I can see that yes, I would say more than half of these of the trades that I opened this webinar during this webinar closed with a loss. So yes, the only way is to basically skip this trading strategy, and next time we'll focus more on other trading strategies, and hopefully we can improve our results. And well, I'm pretty sure we will, because based on the previous performance from these strategies. Okay, a question from John Buru. Did my first live trading today, started with $10, currently at $5. Well, I don't think that's a tragedy. That's a tragedy. That's a lesson, and you only paid $5 for this valuable lesson. So now you have to understand what you did wrong and why you lost these $5. So was it like your mistakes, or was it like, yeah, did you do anything wrong? Did you break any rules? Maybe you came ill prepared. You started trading without without a well developed trading plan, and say plan A, plan B, etc. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. Okay, I'll be canceling my pending orders with this strategy. Seems that, yeah, the strategy, it's one of my favorite. Well, I would say this is my favorite trading strategy, but so far it has let me down. So yeah, probably we'll have to forget about this trading strategy for a few weeks maybe, and then we'll come back and try again. So it's all about adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. So guys, don't be like afraid of like any momentarily losses, and stay focused on your global goal. So John, my piece of advice for you is to first analyze what you did, and then yeah, maybe start like learn a trading strategy, something like this. Okay guys, I'll be canceling this trade. Seems that, yeah, the market is not suitable for this trading strategy. So yeah, Ray, I got jackpot on lottery and I will invest my money in olymptrade. I love olymptrade. Well, thank you for your kind words. Okay, okay, I don't know. Maybe I will not comment on this, but okay, guys, you have to stay like maybe concentrated. because I mean, like, if you won a lottery and then you invested everything in Olymp, I mean, like, if by then you will have learned, you will have mastered a trading strategy, then it seems that you, in this case, you would double, you would triple this money. But if by then you still would be losing money, then it doesn't matter how much money you invest. If you lost $5, then you'll probably lose 50 if you invest 100. If you lose, if you are now losing 100 and then you invest 1,000, you will lose this 1,000. So, guys, it's that's how it works. So first you need to develop a trading strategy, master it, and then you need to make a deposit and start trading with real money. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you very much for your attention, guys. The day after tomorrow, my next trading session will happen. My name is Thomas, and next time we are going to have a trendy trading strategy. Well, thank you very much for your attention. I will see you shortly. Thomas signing out.